More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. More than a man.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that, you gave him something to read. Those kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read. And this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
We've all heard it, the 10, a perfect score on an arbitrary scale of female attractiveness. This concept of a 10 is deeply ingrained in our culture, often perpetuated by media and entertainment industries. This mythical creature graces magazine covers, dominates social media feeds, and sets an impossibly high bar for women everywhere. The image of perfection is carefully crafted, leaving little room for natural beauty. Defined by fleeting trends and unattainable beauty standards, the 10 is often portrayed as an object of desire, valued solely for her physical attributes. This portrayal reduces women to mere objects, stripping away their individuality. But what happens when we scratch beneath the surface of this manufactured ideal? We begin to see the cracks in this facade. The pursuit of this elusive 10 can be detrimental, leading to insecurity, self-doubt, and a distorted self-image. Women start to question their worth based on unrealistic standards. Women are bombarded with images that have been meticulously curated, airbrushed, and digitally altered, creating a false sense of reality. These images are far removed from the everyday experiences of most women. This unattainable standard not only impacts women but also shapes men's expectations, often leaving them chasing after a fantasy rather than appreciating the depth and complexity of real women. The ripple effect of this ideal can be felt across relationships and society as a whole. Holding on to the image of a 10 as the ultimate prize is like chasing shadows. It's an exhausting pursuit that often ends in disappointment. Men who cling to this superficial benchmark miss out on the opportunity to connect with women on a deeper level. When we prioritize physical perfection above all else, we fail to recognize the importance of qualities that truly matter in a partner: kindness, intelligence, humor, shared values, and emotional depth. The truth is, beauty fades, trends change, and what might be considered a 10 today could be easily forgotten tomorrow. Building a lasting and fulfilling relationship requires looking beyond the superficial and appreciating the qualities that make a woman truly special: her character, her heart, and her mind. Let's shift the focus from the superficial to the substantial. In a world obsessed with appearances, it's time to celebrate the deeper qualities that truly matter. Instead of fixating on an arbitrary number, let's celebrate the qualities that contribute to a woman's worth and make her an exceptional partner. These are the traits that build lasting relationships and foster genuine connections. Imagine a woman who nurtures a warm and welcoming home, where every corner reflects her care and attention to detail. Who delights in creating delicious meals, infusing love and creativity into every dish she prepares? Who possesses the practical skills to manage a household with grace and efficiency, ensuring everything runs smoothly? These are the qualities that truly enhance a man's life and contribute to a happy and fulfilling relationship. They create a foundation of mutual respect and admiration. This is not about conforming to outdated gender roles, but recognizing the value of traditional skills in creating a nurturing and harmonious home environment. It's about balance and partnership. A woman who takes pride in her homemaking abilities brings a sense of comfort, stability, and warmth to the relationship. Her efforts create a sanctuary of peace. She understands the importance of creating a sanctuary where both partners can relax, recharge, and connect on a deeper level. This sanctuary becomes a haven of love and understanding.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. It will help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Section 4. Nurturing a home, nurturing a bond. The power of practical skills. The ability to nurture extends beyond creating a physical space. It encompasses emotional support and understanding. It's about being there for each other in times of need, offering a shoulder to lean on, and providing comfort during difficult moments. A woman who embodies these qualities is a source of strength and stability for her partner. She becomes the anchor in the relationship, offering unwavering support and love. She provides a listening ear, offers words of encouragement, and provides a safe space for vulnerability and emotional expression. Her presence alone can be a source of immense comfort and reassurance. These are the qualities that foster true intimacy and create a strong foundation for a lasting bond. It's in these small, everyday moments that love truly flourishes. In a world that often feels chaotic and demanding, a partner who possesses these skills brings a sense of peace and grounding to the relationship. They help create a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. She understands the importance of creating a haven where both partners feel safe, supported, and deeply loved for who they truly are, imperfections and all. This nurturing environment is the bedrock of a resilient and loving relationship. Section 5. The gift of peace, common sense, and emotional stability. In the tapestry of a fulfilling relationship, common sense and emotional stability are the threads that hold everything together. A woman grounded in practicality and emotional intelligence navigates the ups and downs of life with grace and resilience. She doesn't shy away from challenges, but faces them head-on with a level head and a calm demeanor. This inherent sense of stability brings a sense of peace to the relationship. Men are drawn to women who exude calmness and possess the wisdom to navigate life's complexities. This is not about being devoid of emotions, but about expressing them in a healthy and constructive way. Section 6. True partnership, shared values, and mutual respect. Ultimately, a fulfilling and lasting relationship thrives on shared values, mutual respect, and a deep understanding of one another's needs and desires. It's about finding a partner who complements your strengths, supports your dreams, and challenges you to grow into a better person. It's about building a life together based on a foundation of trust, open communication, and unwavering commitment to each other. The 10 might capture your attention, but it's the woman who embodies these qualities who will ultimately capture your heart and soul. It's time to redefine our standards of desirability and appreciate the women who bring true value and meaning to our lives. Section 7. Finding your 10, a conclusion. The pursuit of a 10 is a futile chase after an illusion. True beauty lies not in achieving some arbitrary standard of perfection, but in embracing the qualities that make us uniquely human, our imperfections, our vulnerabilities, and our capacity for love, kindness, and compassion. Let's move beyond the superficial and recognize the value of women who are intelligent, compassionate, and capable. Let's celebrate those who nurture, care, and bring a sense of peace and stability to our lives. These are the women who deserve to be cherished, respected, and loved for the incredible human beings they are.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Takes dedication, Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, build your integrity. Molding a man.